What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So I'm back at the yard today, and I came across this two-wheel drive 406E from an 02 Chevy Tahoe. So I started taking shit apart, taking the fender well out. I took the starter out down there. But the problem I had when I looked up, see that hole? So I mean, that kind of bummed me out. But luckily I didn't get too far into it. I didn't touch the cross member yet. Only thing I did was I removed the starter, and I was trying to get to the flex plate bolts. But then, like I said, I just happened to look over and seeing that. But earlier, the reason I came here was for this transmission. And the last G6 I pulled the roof that's on my 77 Caprice. I came back and got the roof skin from it. So I was about to give up for today. And, you know, just go home. So what basically happened is I was trying to look for the G6. I took the skin off today, and I stumbled across something else. Let me show you. G6, I took the skin off and the roof off of, you can see the roof skin's gone now. But when I was walking back, I couldn't find it. I thought they took it because they started filling up the rows of cars again. So I actually kept walking more that way. That Caprice is still here. It's pretty stripped. But yeah, it's funny because I was kind of bummed out on that 460E. So I kept on walking. I found this one. As soon as I seen it, I knew what it was. This is a 06 Pontiac G6 GT. At first I only saw the G6. But there you go. Like I said, I did not plan to do this. I think someone looked at it and they didn't know what they were doing. So, because you don't test it there. So yeah, we might have to get this one. The money I was going to use it on the transmission. But we got the one skin. This might have to be a twofer today. Sorry if it's windy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this real quick and I'll hit you back. Right now you can see the roof is out. I drilled some pilot holes in corners just for the Sawzall. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these out. I usually take those bolts out, but I might just keep it in. Now this glass isn't perfect. This one's kind of broken, but that's fixable. So I gotta see what's going on with these two panes, but I'm pretty sure I can fix it. If not, just use it for parts. But yep, roof number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this out so we can start getting out of here. Whew. Yeah, I'm worn out. Long day. Sun's going down. Yard about to close in like an hour. My blade got dull and I kind of messed up a little bit, but like right here. But I'll trim it up, and then whenever we do it, we just gotta make sure the brackets and the lines. It's not bad. Just need to square it up. Got my lines, the switches, the headliner, and we get to go. Roof is gone in roof number 2. It's windy. Anyway, this is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe. Share if you want. Peace.